How to turn on profile notification dots on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on profile notification dots on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and click shortcuts. This one, click on it, and then click notification dots, and now all you need to do is just one click on profile, and as you see profile has been turned on. That's mean profile notification dots has been turned on. And that's how to turn on profile notification dots on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.